How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. What is up? Anyways, so I told you the stock moves I made, but let me talk about the option moves I made because I definitely made quite a few of those. And I'll show you the pictures. You'll see. So this is pretty much all Apple. I'll be honest. It's Apple. As far as companies I know, it's like inside and out, Apple's definitely like number one. And I definitely know how this company trades. Okay, like I feel like I could basically be the Apple guru or something. Like I follow this company religiously. It almost gets me annoyed. But anyways, one thing that really works out well for following a company so closely is you really know how it trades. And that can really help you. So I kind of can sometimes predict Apple's moves because I've seen them so many times. And really, it's like a pattern. Pattern recognition, super important, you know? So Apple, yeah, this is the one I trade a lot. And it's the one that I've never lost money trading options on. So maybe I should trade it more often. But anyways, let me show you some option trades and I think you'll like them. So the first one's from February 28th, okay? Way before a lot of the coronavirus stuff. Definitely creeping in, but not as bad as it was. Apple stock had fallen though, so I decided to pick some up. And can you believe on February 28th, it was 266. Yeah, it had fallen. So I decided to pick some up, and I picked it up at $416.24 is what I paid, okay? So now looking at this, as of this first picture, this is like pretty much right when I bought it. I didn't take a picture right the day or time I bought it. This is the same day I bought it. It's 11:15, so the market had been open for about an hour and 45 minutes, and I had bought it just earlier in this. So yeah, I bought this. So I kept this until March 2nd. So not too long, I guess, like 3 days or something like that. And then I sold it. I sold it for $9, okay? So $9 what I sold it for. So $9 is actually $900. So you can see here my gain is $483. There is a fee, so I cleared like $470 or whatever. It was like $471 and change, I think. So I cleared that. You can see I'll show you another picture here. Looking here, I guess I sold it a little too early. I sold it right around, I guess, 10:53, so soon after the market opened. And if we check later on that day, it was actually trading at $10.05. However, something more interesting is if you look at the bid and ask, which is like technically the real price. The market's like pretty close to closing now, so sometimes the options price gets a little wonky around here, but it's more trading around 11.25 to 11.90, somewhere in that range. So yeah, there's definitely trading around like 11.25 to 11.90, somewhere in that range. So if I held on, I could have made at least another 2.25, but you know, you don't always know, right? So yeah, I don't want. But anyways, I bought that and then I sold that, so I still cleared like 470. Not a bad day at the office, not a bad day, doubled my money. So then I didn't buy it again until about 20-ish days later on March 24th. 2020, and it's pretty much the same option, same date, but for $25 cheaper. The other one had a strike price of $325. This one has a strike price of a solid $300, which as of today, Apple is over $300, so this option's pretty profitable. But yeah, I actually paid $2.86, which is $286.24. If you're wondering why there's cents, it's because there is a little bit of fees. So that's pretty much how that works out. I think I bought it at $275, but fees made it $286. So as of right now, the market value is $470. This is the same day later on in the day. I didn't take a screenshot when I first bought it. I just screenshotted it towards the end of the day. I kind of forgot to. I seem to always forget it right when I buy it, and I don't always check it. Most of the times I put an order out there, and then I put my phone away or whatever, and then I check later to see if I actually bought it or not. And sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This time I checked it and I bought it. So I was like, oh, wow, I didn't even know that. Okay, cool. So I bought that. I'll show you another picture from later that day. The market's closed now, but as you can see, I'm already up 99% on the same day buy. That's not bad. 100% on a same day buy. I will definitely take it. So what I sell this one for? So I actually sold this one the next day. Yeah, it was up quite a bit. I felt like I had done it what it needed to do for me. So I had sold it, and I sold it for like a 200% gain. I had sold it at $850 is the price that I put, and it sold. I was able to screenshot this literally right before it disappeared, so that was cool. Got it like right when the market opened, so it's nice. Took a decent bounce there, went up, and yeah, I was able to sell that one and make some money. And you know what? I bet you these options are even more profitable. I didn't even check yet. I probably should, and I bet you they're killing it. And in case you're wondering, I did get in one more time. And the next time I got in was April 7th, 2020. So I don't know what that is, like a week and a half to 2 weeks later. I picked this one up, the exact same option, July 17th, 2020, the $300 strike price one. This time I picked it up for $461.24, $461. I bought it at $450, fees, made $461. So this is the, like right after I bought it, right after the market had opened, and I'm already up 40%, sweet. It's 9:43, it says here on the time, so that's pretty cool. So how much I sold that? So I sold that exactly $7. So you can see here on this picture, I sold it at exactly that price, at $7. Well, it's screenshotted here. So those are the Apple options that I bought. And in case you're wondering, I did do some trading, but this is kind of the funny thing about the stock market. If I probably just held on, I would have done pretty well too, because due to the fact that Apple is over $300, it's at $302.92 as of making this video. So the option price, if you can see that, is $18.30. $18.30. Damn, $18.30. Okay, so that's a lot. Unfortunately, I sold at $7. I would have made an extra $1,100, but although I say I'm pretty good at trading Apple, I'll be honest, I did not see this in giant V recovery in the stock market. That's crazy. I definitely bought some other options too. I bought Uber. I'll show a pic here. You can see Uber somewhere over here. It'll be there. And yeah, I bought Uber. I have Wynn. That's a losing one. I'll show it there so you can see some losses too. Believe me, they happen. And I bought Carnival Cruise. That's probably going to be a loss as well. And yeah, that's my options right now. Uber is pretty profitable right now, which is pretty good. Lucky, happy about that. Not lucky, but happy about that, I guess. But yeah, so that's pretty much my options. That's been my trading in a sense. I've definitely been doing some investing. If you want to know the stocks that I bought, I'll link that up top so you can see that. Click on that video if you want to see the stocks I bought. And there's also stocks I'm planning to buy. So there's a couple ones that they're a little speculative, but you know what? Kind of starting to like them. Every stock, every company has a value, and eventually it reaches the value to actually like to pay. And you know what? Some of them are starting to reach values that I'd actually really like to pay. Yeah, it's going to be a good one. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that video, and then you should turn on that bell notification so then you can get notified of when I post that one. And you should also like this video. That would be super cool. And comment down below. Yeah, comment. Really, comment. I'll like it. I'll comment back. If it's a comment, sure, I'll comment back. And if I like it, maybe I'll favorite it. Maybe I'll just do it anyways. Maybe I'll just favorite all the comments. Yeah, because they're all my favorite. And did you know, quick fact, you get a notification when you comment. If I favorite it, yeah, you'll get a little star. Really, it's pretty cool. Really, don't believe me? Do it. See it. See what happens for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Do it. Let me prove myself right. Yeah. Do it. Really, do it. You'll see. I dare you. Anyways, until next time, see you later. Have an amazing, beautiful, life-changing, one-of-a-kind day. Remember to always wash your hands. And I'll see you beautiful people next time.